As time study administrators, we're on a mission. Our mission is to transport data from providers to finance, from activity to compliance. This data already exists, but it's lost in space, a space called activity, where data is scattered among physicians and nurses across sticky notes and spreadsheets. We need to bring this data safely home, a home called compliance, where our friends in finance use it for cost reporting and reimbursement. This journey from activity to compliance is mission critical, and we, as time study administrators, are mission control. But we face some challenges. The people who have or need the data we're transporting are rarely available. Regulations limit how we can record and report data. There's a right way and a wrong way. And to do time studies the right way, we're stuck with patchwork solutions combining miscellaneous tools, none of which were designed for time studies. And if we even use technology, it's old. Email and Excel have been around for decades. It's time for us to do our mission-critical work with a mission-optimized platform. It's time for MyTimeStudy. MyTimeStudy is a time study platform available on PC, Android, and iOS. Users enter time in a simple, intuitive interface. Prompts and tooltips take the guesswork out of time entry, telling users where to go and what to do. Admins have a bird's eye view of the entire time study, as well as a suite of analytical tools to zoom in and out at different levels of detail. MyTimeStudy's internal messaging system allows admins and users to communicate with each other, including with automated messages and reminders. During onboarding, we customize MyTimeStudy to match your current process, including user roles and permissions, categories and activities, automated messages and reminders, and even the prompts and tooltips. When you log into MyTimeStudy for the first time, everything will look refreshed, but still familiar. MyTimeStudy stores data in the cloud, improving security and accessibility. Most importantly, MyTimeStudy automates as much of the process as possible. The goal is click, click, done. Some will say, we already have an electronic system for time studies. But an electronic system for time studies isn't the same as an optimized system for time studies. Microsoft Access and Excel are electronic. A pocket calculator is electronic. But none of them were designed for time studies. Let's see the difference for ourselves. On the left, you can see all the manual steps required to complete a single time entry using a standard electronic system combining Excel and email. That's 19 manual steps. On the right, you can see all the manual steps required to complete a single time entry using MyTimeStudy. That's 5 manual steps. That's almost a 75% drop in manual input. So when we say MyTimeStudy is optimized for time studies, this is what we mean. I keep saying we. The reason for that is MyTimeStudy isn't just built for administrators, it's built by administrators. That's us. We're KrystalBall, the creators of MyTimeStudy. We've delivered healthcare consulting to hundreds of hospitals over the last 17 years. In that time, we've worked with 10 of the 50 largest hospitals in the country. Since 2013, we've worked as time study administrators for dozens of clients. It's this experience as time study administrators that helped us see the need for an optimized platform, which is why we built MyTimeStudy. Since then, our clients have submitted over 685,000 hours on MyTimeStudy. And let's not forget, in healthcare, that time is money. Literally. The more you report, the more reimbursement you receive. And money means resources for you and your colleagues. Let's get there together. Let's take time studies from mission critical to mission complete with MyTimeStudy.